vehicle sensor switch for a 1.6 Zetec. I'm going to show you the location right now. So it's to the carburetor, to the right hand side of your carburetor, as you can see, is where it's located. I put the light bang on it, and that is your vehicle sensor switch right there. Can you see the pin? That's what you need to get out first, and then that's supposed to be able to pop straight out. Lubricate the other one and you should be able to get it straight back in. But that's the job I'm going to challenge now, is to try and get that pin that you see is highlighted with the light, is to get that pin out. That is a perfect look of what it is, even though it's a bastard. Right there. It took me the first because nobody's filmed the location of it, probably because of this reason. And there is pin out. In the boot. You find that light, B?
Yeah.
It's in a plastic bag on the passenger seat.
It's not far, is it?
No, just a little bit more it needs to go, and it's going down while you're doing that. What you do, use you see the handle of my wheel brace, because it's rubber, use that and just tap it straight down.
Yeah, I don't want to break the connection on it.
No, that's what I'm saying. If you tap it, I reckon it will go. Huh? See my hand? Cheers, bud.
Is it going down?
Yep, going down. Definitely going down. Nice and steady, it's going down. Probably another quarter inch. Are you there?
Oh yeah.
Yep, and that is it. But you know what? That looks solid in. Can't see that coming out. Mind your finger? Yes.
So like up there?
Yeah.
Right.